Checking the height of the aircraft during loading and unloading. When loading or unloading an aircraft, whether it involves passengers or goods, the weight of the aircraft changes. Just like a car, an aircraft has shock absorbers that will be more or less compressed, depending on the load on board. During the loading and boarding phases, then during unloading and disembarking, the height level at the door sill varies. This variation may be different at the front and back. On an Embraer 170, it can reach 18 centimeters, and 30 centimeters on a Boeing 777. Great attention must be paid to these height changes. A collision with positioned equipment can damage the aircraft fuselage, doors, and even sensors. These sensors are paramount to the safe conduct of the flight. They provide the crew with essential information such as the aircraft speed or angle of attack. To avoid such damage, 3 rules must be followed. Regularly check the height of equipment in contact with the aircraft: lifting platforms, belt loaders, cargo loaders, step ladders or ladders. Adjust their level if necessary. When a leveling system is present, always check that it is working properly. Lay the ground for a safe flight.